everybody. It's another meal. Today we're doing pot pies. So we're doing a beef pot pie and a chicken pot pie. I've got my broth here. I've got potatoes. I'm trying not to move you too quick. I got my carrots right here. I'm gonna dice up some garlic. Oops, sorry. And I already have the onions in the fridge. I just gotta get them out. And of course, peas and corn, but those are in the freezer. Oh, I have to dig those out. They're in the downstairs freezer. Okay, but anyway. So that's what we're doing. I'm just gonna get some finish up some prep, and then we'll be back when we start assembling the soup to go into the pies. Okay. Now I have pretty much everything all chopped up and ready to go, other than the garlic, which I'm gonna do here in a minute. But we're gonna get this started by cutting up some knobs of butter. I'm fully aware how much butter I'm putting in. I really don't actually. We'll share the wealth there. Okay. Now, I'm curious, what does everybody put into their pot pies? Do you do beef? Do you do chicken? Pork? What is your big one that you guys do a lot of? Okay, I have some onion here. Not gonna go too crazy with the onion. Okay, now I'm gonna add my garlic, but I'll do that off camera. So we'll be back once these are cooked. Okay, so I have these sweated down a little bit. Nothing overly crazy because these are gonna keep cooking. I just really want to get them sweated. There we go. I have my chopped up chicken thigh, which is gonna go into this one. And then I have my chopped up beef stew, which is gonna go into this one. We're going to cook this off for a little bit. And then we are going to add our vegetables in that. So we'll be right back. Okay, so our meat's almost cooked. Now in each of these bowls I have about half a cup of peas, about half a cup of corn, about 3/4 of a cup of a carrot, and then 3 little tiny potatoes, which would probably equal out to like a medium potato, maybe 2 medium potatoes. So we'll get that in, get that stirred up. Oh, it's not even done yet. Look how delicious that looks. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get, okay, so I'm hoping you can hear me. It's a little loud because I had to turn my exhaust on because there was just so much steam coming up. Alright, so I have 1 cup of beef broth going in here, and then I'm going to do 1 cup of chicken stock into the chicken one. I may need to add more to the chicken one. I don't think I'm going to. I'm not following a recipe. I'm winging it. This is how I always make dinners and stuff. We got 1 cup there. There we go. Not quite as loud now. Now, I haven't added any salt. Now, this beef broth is low sodium, I believe. And the chicken one is no salt added, which is good because I made the decision, because I was trying to figure out, I'm like, I need to make a gravy for these. I decided I was going to do this because I have them. So I've got the brown gravy, which I'm going to use in the beef, and the chicken, which I'm going to use in the chicken pot pie. I think this will work. I don't know. This is an experiment. Hence why the 1 cup of liquid, because that needs 1 cup liquid. I have a feeling this is going to work out amazing and taste really, really good. and it will also thicken it as well. I may still need to add a little extra cornstarch or something to it just to really help thicken it up, but we'll see in the end. Okay, chicken one in there. Now yes, you can just as easy get your seasonings in there. This is a work day. I'm looking for easy and yet still tasty. Well, that looks really good actually. Okay, all right, so we'll be right back when we are getting ready to put these into the pie shells. Okay, so now our filling is done, and as you can tell, I just bought pie crusts. Again, convenience. Can I make it? Yes. Did I not want to make it after I was done work or on my days off? Correct. Was I grossed out by the price of a gluten-free crust? Where are you? Yes. Okay. Now, I'm just hoping, I don't know, we're gonna find out. Because I don't want to taste it, because the potatoes aren't fully cooked. Neither is the carrots. All the gravy just stuck to one side. Man. That's what I get for doing that. Okay. I just want to, I don't have very much left. Oh, there's just, do you think we can? I think we can. I think we can. I think we did. Okay, so there's overflowing, but it's there. Which means the chicken one, I need to ladle it in because there's no way it's all fitting in. Hot. That's hot. That was hot. Okay. Yes, I'm using my canning ladle. Oh, these look so good. Ooh, you know what, guys? I think I can. I think I can. Oh, that is still hot. I don't learn very quickly, apparently. Okay. You know what? It's okay. Because this will cook down a little bit. Not much, but it will cook down a little bit. I have my thingy on still. Okay. That side's going to be hot now. Okay, move over here. Now. Okay. Ignore children in the background, because I try to. We are going to attempt, because it says that you just take this and you just peel it away and put it on top. Just where it's going to break. I'm only going to show one with you guys because apparently I need to charge my batteries. Because I did defrost it, like it said. See, I knew that was going to happen. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, I don't need to make ventals because, well, the pie crust did that for me. And I'm not going to put any egg or butter on this because they are actually quite greasy already because there's a lot of butter in them. Not going to do that. Okay. Into the oven until cooked. I don't know how long it's going to take. I have the oven at 375. I'm going to assume it's going to take about 45 minutes to an hour, but I'll let you know at the end. Okay, be right back when these beautiful masterpieces are out of the oven. Okay, so I was actually very curious as to why that pie crust didn't come out because I'm like, I followed the instructions, what the heck? So I figured I'd go back and read it again. I'm supposed to take it out of the aluminum foil before I defrost it, not after. I misread. But it's okay. It's still gonna taste good, right? Right. Okay, and I pulled them out of the oven. Here's the beef one. You can see they still look beautiful, and they're like little masterpiece things here. But here we go. There was no need to add the egg wash or butter or anything else to that. You can see it crisped, browned up nicely. I can talk. There's the beef. Here's the chicken. The chicken actually turned out pretty good. And the potatoes, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. The potatoes that are in here, like right there, they actually got like a little crunchy on the outside because they're exposed to the oven, which means there's going to be a little bit of crunch to them, which is quite okay. All right, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video and enjoyed. This is sometimes what things will look like, and it's okay because it may not look great, but it's going to taste really good. Okay, so I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and we'll be back soon. Bye.